Alright everyone, welcome back to another video of the Train Man channel. Today, we're riding on the Manly Ferry. So yeah, I'm actually recording 3 ferry videos in one day. This will be the first for free, so let's go. Alright, we're on Ocean Wave today. We're on a fast ferry. Alright, we've now departed. There's one of the fast ones at Fair, and the Opera House should just be around the corner here. I don't think I've actually been on the top layer of a fast ferry before. Oh, it says the Opera House. See you in the next clip. Because there'll be plenty more, trust me. Here we are. Yeah, still departing. This is quite fun already. There's Denison over there. There are Navy ships. It's quite exciting, isn't it? Another really cool little beach over there. I wonder what that one's called. So if anyone in the comment section can or little islands, or obviously I know Denison. Hey guys, you guys missed the arguably part. There was so many ways to just go up and down. Yeah, we're going to head now, I assume, because I think that's the careful. We're going to go get some cookies, head down to the beach, and then I'll record my second video, which is a Captain Cruise ferry video. Which I think is just a hand there. That's not the one we'll be on. But we're going towards this bay, so yeah. Anyways, we'll see you then, because we'll pick up basically. That's fun. Oh look, there's Manly. Now it's home. Actually, it's been quite a short amount of time, to be honest. Alright, I see Manly Wharf now, it's just over there. We are pulling in. My hair looks good, I think. Because I take off my
We are
hat.
now arriving at Manly.
Thank you.
Please mind your step when disembarking the vessel. Please remember, there is no need to tap off at the wharf. Please do not attempt to tap off.
Alright, we're at Manly Wharf now. We're here at Manly. Ferry now. Really fun trip.